In today's financial landscape, credit card rewards programs have become a significant tool for savvy consumers looking to maximize their spending and earn valuable rewards. From cash back and travel points to exclusive perks and discounts, understanding how to effectively use these programs can enhance your financial strategy. This comprehensive guide will delve into the world of credit card rewards programs, providing you with insights, tips, and strategies to get the most out of your credit card. Using credit card rewards effectively can lead to significant savings and added value, making it an essential aspect of personal finance management. Credit card rewards programs offer a way to earn benefits simply by making everyday purchases. These rewards can take various forms, including cashback, travel rewards, points programs, and exclusive perks. Cashback credit cards offer a percentage of your spending back as cash, typically ranging from 1% to 5% or more, depending on the card and the spending category. Travel rewards. Credit cards are ideal for frequent travelers, offering points or miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel-related expenses. Airline miles, hotel points, and general travel points are all part of the top travel rewards credit cards. Let's take a look at some of the best options available. First up, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Registered Trademark Card. Earn 2x points on travel and dining, with points worth 25% more when redeemed for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Plus, a generous sign-up bonus of 60,000 bonus points. Next, the American Express Registered Trademark Gold Card. Earn 4x points at restaurants and 3x points on flights, along with a $120 dining credit annually. And then, the Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. Earn 2x miles on every purchase, 5x miles on hotels and rental cars, and a sign-up bonus of 60,000 bonus miles. Moving on to points programs, offering flexibility and a wide range of rewards. The Chase Freedom Flex SM card, for example, offers 5% cash back on bonus categories and a $200 bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months. The American Express Registered Trademark Green Card earns 3x points on travel and at restaurants with a sign-up bonus of 45,000 membership rewards points. Lastly, the Citi Premier Registered Trademark Card earns 3x points on air travel and hotels, 3x points at restaurants and supermarkets, and a sign-up bonus of 60,000 thank you registered trademark points. Finally, some credit cards offer exclusive perks and benefits, such as airport lounge access, travel insurance, and concierge services. The Platinum Card Registered Trademark from American Express, for instance, provides access to Centurion lounges, gold status with Hilton and Marriott, and up to $200 in Uber savings annually. Choose the right credit card for you and start earning rewards today. Bonus: earn 100,000 membership rewards points after spending $6,000 on purchases in the first 6 months from account opening. Chase Sapphire Reserve Registered Trademark access to Priority Pass lounges, $300 annual travel credit, 3x points on travel and dining. Sign-up bonus: earn 60,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. Citi Registered Trademark, Advantage Registered Trademark Executive World Elite. Trademark MasterCard Registered Trademark access to Admirals Club lounges, 2x miles on eligible American Airlines purchases. First check bag free on domestic American Airlines itineraries for you and up to 8 companions. Sign-up bonus: earn 50,000 American Airlines Advantage Registered Trademark bonus miles after spending $5,000 in purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. How to maximize credit card rewards. 1. Choose the right card for your spending habits. Select a credit card that aligns with your spending patterns. If you travel frequently, a travel rewards card may be the best option. For everyday purchases, a cashback card could be more beneficial. 1. Take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Many credit cards offer generous sign-up bonuses for new cardholders who meet a minimum spending requirement within the first few months. These bonuses can significantly boost your rewards balance. 1. Use multiple cards strategically. Consider using multiple credit cards to maximize rewards in different spending categories. For example, use a cashback card for groceries and a travel rewards card for dining and travel expenses. 1. Pay your balance in full. To avoid interest charges that can negate your rewards, always pay your credit card balance in full each month. This practice also helps maintain a good credit score. 1. Leverage special offers and promotions. Keep an eye out for special offers and promotions from your credit card issuer. These can include bonus points for spending in specific categories or during promotional periods. 6. Utilize transfer partners. If your card allows, transfer points to travel partners to potentially get more value. Many travel rewards programs offer better redemption rates when points are transferred to airlines or hotel partners. 1. Monitor and redeem your rewards regularly. Regularly check your rewards balance and redeem points or cash back before they expire. Staying on top of your rewards ensures you don't miss out on any benefits. SceneScript. Top apps and websites for managing credit card rewards. 1. Award Wallet helps you track all your loyalty programs, including credit card rewards, frequent flyer miles, and hotel points in one place. It sends alerts for point expirations and promotions. 1. The Points Guy, TPG, offers expert advice on maximizing credit card rewards, including detailed reviews, tips, and strategies for earning and redeeming points and miles. 1. Credit Karma. Credit Karma not only offers free credit scores, but also provides personalized credit card recommendations based on your spending habits and financial goals. 4. Mint.